Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, this is the last video of this course. And in this last video, we are still discussing adjective clause connector or adjective clause 2. Okay, I'm sorry for the double types. Adjective clause connector that function as a subject also. In some cases, an adjective clause connector is not just a connector. It is not just a conjunction. An adjective clause connector can also be the subject of the clause at the same time. Look at the sentence. The woman is filling the glass that is on the table. The woman is the subject, is filling is the verb, the glass is the object. That is filling the table is adjective clause. That is connector that function also as the subject of the clause. Look at the second sentence. The glass that is on the table contains milk. The glass, the subject, it is noun. That is on the table, adjective clause. And that adalah konektor atau konjungsi yang berfungsi juga sebagai kata atau sebagai subjeknya. Is itu kata kerja. Nah, is itu kata kerja dari klausa ini. Okay, the glass that is on the table contains milk. In the first example, there are two clauses. Woman is the subject of the verb is filling, and that is the subject of the verb is. These two clauses are joined with the connector that. Notice that in this example, the word that serves to function at the same time. It is the subject of the verb is, and it is the connector that joins the two clauses. Sorry. The adjective clause that is on the table describes the noun glass. As what in the first example, in the second example, there are also two clauses. Clause is the subject of the verb contains, and that is the subject of the verb is. In this example, that also serves to function. It is the subject of the verb is, and it is the connector that joins the two clauses, because that is on the table is an adjective clause describing the noun glass. It directly follows glass. Look at this example of questions. Blah 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 is on the table has 4 sections. Has 4 sections. Has is the verb. Is also the verb. Okay. So we right now need a connector and also a connector and the subject. Okay. So what is the right answer? Okay, the right answer is the notebook which is on the table has 4 sections. Okay. The notebook which is on the table. The following chart lists to the subject clause connector. The following chart lists the adjective clause connector that function also as the subject, and also the sentence pattern used with them. Okay, what are the connector? The connectors are who, which, and that. Who for people, which for thing, that for people or thing. Oh, and then what is the pattern? The pattern is subject, verb, connector, verb. For example, she needs a secretary who types fast. Number 2, subject, connector, verb, verb. A secretary who types fast is invaluable. Exercise. Number 1 is correct. The ice cream that is served in this restaurant has a smooth, creamy texture. It is right. It is correct. The ice cream that is served. Okay. The ice cream that is served in the restaurant. The ice cream is the subject. That is served in the restaurant. This is the adjective clause. Has is the verb of is. Of ice. Okay, and that is the connector and also the subject of is. Okay, number 2 is wrong. The cars are trying to enter the freeway system are lined up. There is no connector or no conjunctions here. Okay. The rest of the exercise, you could do it at home. And then the next one, reduce adjective clause. Okay, so we have other form. Adjective clause can appear in a reduced form. In the reduced form, the adjective clause connector and the verb and the be verb that directly follow it are omitted. Look at this one. The woman who is waving to us is in the tour guide. It becomes the woman waving to us in the tour guide. Is the tour guide. The letter which was written last week arrived today. It becomes the letter written last week arrived today. The picture that is on the table is full of iced tea. It becomes the picture on the table is full of iced tea. Each of these sentences may be used in the complete form or in the reduced form. In the reduced form, connector who, which, or that is omitted along with the be verb is or was. If there is no be verb in the adjective clause, it is still possible to have a reduced form. When there is no be verb in the adjective clause, the connector is omitted and the verb is changed into the ing form. I don't understand the article which appears in today's paper. If we reduce this sentence, the clause in the sentence, it becomes, I don't understand the article appearing in today's paper. Jadi bisa juga direduksi. In this example, there is no be verb, tidak ada to be ya, in the adjective clause which appears in today's paper. So, the connector which is omitted and the main verb appear is changed into the ing form appearing. It should be noted that not all adjective clauses can appear in reduced form. Jadi tidak semuanya. An adjective clause can appear in reduced form only if the adjective clause connector is followed by a verb, directly by a verb. Jadi sebuah klausa kata sifat atau adjective clause yang bisa dijadikan bentuk reduksi, bentuk singkatnya, itu hanya jika adjective clause konektornya atau konjungsinya itu langsung diikuti oleh sebuah kata kerja. Dengan kata lain, sebuah adjective clause connector hanya bisa direduksi jika konektornya juga berfungsi sebagai subjek. Jadi kalau setelah konektor ada subjek, itu tidak bisa direduksi. The woman that I just met is the tour guide. Itu tidak bisa. The woman that I just met is the tour guide. Itu tidak bisa. Kenapa? Karena setelah that ada I, ada subjek. The letter which you sent me arrived yesterday. Ini juga tidak bisa di-reduce, tidak bisa direduksi. Karena setelah which ada kata-kata you, ada subjek you. Okay, a final point to note is that some adjective clauses are set off from the rest of the sentence with commas, and these adjective clauses can also be reduced. In addition, when an adjective clause is set off with commas, the reduced adjective clause can appear at the front of the sentence. Jadi, catatan yang selanjutnya adalah bahwa beberapa klausa adjektif itu dipisahkan, ya kan, dari kalimat atau dari kalimat intinya dengan koma. Nah, kalau ada adjective flow yang seperti ini bisa juga direduksi. Dengan kata lain, jika sebuah adjective clause itu dipisahkan dengan koma, maka reduce formnya atau bentuk reduksinya itu bisa muncul di depan kalimat. Contohnya, the White House, which is located in Washington, gitu kan, diapit oleh dua koma kan, is the home of the president. Ini menjadi The White House located in Washington is the home of the president. Bisa juga located in Washington. The White House is the home of the president. Oke, contoh yang kedua. The president who is now preparing to give a speech is meeting with his advisor. Itu bisa menjadi the president now preparing to give a speech is meeting with his advisors. Atau now preparing to give a speech, the president is meeting with his advisors. Itu juga bisa. Contoh soal dalam TOEFL misalnya. Blah 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 on several different television programs. The witness gave conflicting accounts of what had happened. Nah, ini menjadi jawaban yang tepat adalah alpha. Appearing on several different television programs, the witness gave conflicting accounts of what had happened. Catatannya adalah bahwa subjeknya harus sama, yang artinya subjeknya sama-sama the witness. Maka konektornya itu berfungsi juga sebagai subjek. Maka konektor tersebut bisa dihilangkan dengan mengubah kata kerjanya menjadi bentuk ing. The following chart lists the structure for reduced adjective clauses and rules for how and when reduced form can be used. With a be verb in the adjective. Okay. Adjective clause connector, who, which, that. Oke. Dan be itu semuanya dihilangkan. Gitu ya. Langsung. Atau with no be verb in the adjective clause, maka adjective clause connectornya mau itu who atau which atau that itu dihilangkan plus dengan menambahkan verb ing atau verbnya ditambah ing. To reduce an adjective clause, omit the adjective clause connector or subject and the be verb. If there is no be verb, omit the connector or subject and change the main verb into ing form. On reduce an adjective clause if the connector and subject is directly followed by the verb. If an adjective clause is set off with the commas, the reduced clause can be moved to the front of the sentence. Jika dipisahkan dengan koma, maka reduced formnya bisa dipindahkan ke bagian depan sebuah kalimat. Oke, contoh nomor 1, contoh yang benar. We will have to return the merchandise purchased yesterday at Broadway. We will have, subject will have verb to return the merchandise purchased yesterday. Nah, itu contoh yang benar ya. Nomor 2, the children sat in the fancy restaurant found it difficult to behave. Oke, ini menjadi salah. Kenapa salah? The children sat in the fancy restaurant. Oke. Ini menjadi salah karena ini jadinya malah double verb. Oke. Kenapa ini double verb? Pertama, the children itu subjek, sat. Itu verb, ya kan? In a fancy restaurant. Found it difficult. Found it difficult itu tidak bisa. Karena found itu menjelaskan fancy restaurant. Masa fancy restaurant found it difficult to behave? Ada nggak? Fancy restaurant difficult to behave. Ini karena kalau misalnya ini dijadikan adjective clause yang lengkap dalam bentuk yang lengkap itu the children sat in the fancy restaurant. Oke. Found it difficult to behave itu menjadi salah. Gitu. Ini tidak bisa direduksi. Ini seharusnya the children, ya kan, who sat, nggak bisa juga. Ini bentuknya salah. Ini mau dijadikan apapun ini kalimat yang nomor 2 tidak bisa dibenarkan. Gitu ya. Thank you very much for your attention. And I think this is a bit difficult. You may ask me about this subject in either in web kuliah or in WhatsApp group. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.